Hey guys, Bondo here. This is the job we did last weekend. We poured the floor in this barn here. So this is my aunt and she wants us to pour another piece of concrete for them. It's kind of a rush deal because they're getting some cows and they got this old barn here. It's got a hole in the floor, but they want to put some concrete in that hole so they can get their cows in there. So it's kind of a little bit difficult to access, so we're going to use a skid steer today to put the concrete in, but it's only 6.5 yards. There's a skid steer. They got a skid steer here on site they're going to use. Got metal tracks on it, but I'll show you the job here. So it goes right over here. We're gonna load the skid steer by that dirt pile right there, I think, or maybe pull it up a little further. Then he can back up and he can come right in. He's gonna go down this lane here and kind of turn and dump it into there. We'll have to pull it that way a little bit. We got some wire mesh in there, and this is 4,000 pound concrete. It's got air in it. And we're just gonna do a bow float with a little bit of a broom finish because this is just a cow barn. And they wanted this done so bad today, and I didn't think we could get concrete from Circle T because today's like the best day of the week. So they actually said they would give the driver $100 tip if I could get concrete today. They're going to tip the driver $100. So I called Circle T and told them that, and lo and behold, we got concrete coming. It's middle of the day, and we're going to pour this thing out. And there's Big Biscuit right there, ready to roll.
Second one of the day.
Second one for Big Biscuit. He helped a friend pour a slab earlier when I was at physical therapy for my shoulder. Stay with us, guys. This is what we're doing today. Just a little one. What do I hear, guys? I hear a little rumble coming down the road. Is it what I think it is? Oh, there it is. Here comes the mud, guys. Here it comes. Circle T. 315-963-2231. Oh, here comes my buddy Scotty, too, right behind the concrete truck. Cool. We're going to get this big 6.5 yards poured out. Just me, Biscuit, and Scotty today. I think the driver's Fred. Fred's going to get the $100 bonus today. Lucky him. He's gonna like that. I'm sure he could use it. Here he comes. We gotta pull him around back, guys. Stay tuned. We'll get him lined up there. So you get the $100 today. They tell you?
They said something about it, but
yeah.
Some customers say it, some don't.
$100 bonus today for you, just for showing up. That's all right, huh?
All the way to the buggy?
Yeah, we're gonna try to shoot you right into that buggy there. Looks like we'd be good right on that hard ground there. Sweet. Let's see what she looks like. See how old Fred did today with his mix. We want to pour it at about a 5.5 to 6 lump, guys. Oh, that's perfect. I love it. That's exactly what we're looking for. Fill her up. Can you see in there?
Yeah, how full you want it?
About 1/2 to 3/4. A little more than that, you could go. I'll tell you when. Let's try that. You might be able to put more in. There you go. Yep. Here, I think is that all the way up?
Yeah, I think it'll clear it though.
Go slow and see if it clears. I'll tell you. That's the only problem. You're gonna drip on it. There you go. Yeah, do that. Perfect. We're gonna dump that concrete right in there, guys. wheel it faster. I got the wheelbarrows if you guys want to wheel it. Want to get them? It's going to take a lot longer to do it that way. Go grab them. It'll be way quicker with the wheelbarrows. We're going to wheelbarrow this, guys. I don't think you need them. Pull right up on this concrete right here. We're going to set the wheelbarrows up, guys. I got that, Scotty. Go grab that wheelbarrow. I'll take care of that. us with the wheelbarrows.
There's not much left.
I'd back right up out of the way there. That's some stiff concrete, guys. We didn't realize they had added hot water to it. We put 2% accelerant in it. She tightened right up. Yes, she did. She pretty tight, Scotty Spoon. Yes. Yep, you can wash it. Yeah, before it gets too hard. Alright, we're going to finish this up, guys.
Let's see what we got. We'll see what that is. I think we got enough.
Where?
Missouri. We go out every year.
No, I lost mine. These two boys finally got theirs. Now maybe I can go now.
There should be some decent bucks out there. Ain't coming out there. Did Roy used to hunt this? He said he used to hunt here or something.
Yeah, he used to hunt with me until he started crying too much about no, really, that's what I told him.
You be telling us anything.
No, you don't want to put the time in to help me move stands, you ain't hunting with me. Yeah. No, see, we ain't got time for it, you know?
What an angry little man comes in.
I just leased some property up in, where the hell are they, in Happy Valley?
So he's got the black car.
Black car. Is it away from the...
No, he's got to go outside. But I don't get the hook. Right.
Last little bit.
You shot the good one here, didn't you?
No, I wasn't here. We rolled down windows. Let's have a 13.950. Yeah, I wasn't out there. I'm pretty close over by that mall. I'm gonna throw it out on the next road. That's what I've been doing. Besides going out left, and I didn't even hunt with it.
Well, that's what I was doing about here. Last year, I only found one. With all the rest of it,
There it is, guys. The big piece of concrete we poured. That's all they wanted was a bow float finish. Just a cow barn, so you can see how the old ones got lines and stuff in it. That's all they wanted.